bit too hard there, didn't you? You could have crawled over that. Just go slow.
Wolf eyes?
Alright, that big rock right there. There you go. Yeah, you gotta run on the edge of it. There you go, you got it. Back it up and hit it again. Hit it first. Alright, you sitting on a rock. Bottom out again. There you go. That was a root. Hold on, keep you giving up too easy. Yeah, I told you. Oh, that's a root. You can't do nothing like that. You gotta go around it.
Yeah, big rock up here.
Yeah. I think you can climb that pretty easy. We got some rocks over here. Bandit, get over here.
Where's he at?
Got our dog over there running off. Alright, come all the way to the end of this culvert. And we're going to turn around. I want to show y'all. There you go. Get it turned around. Alright, hold on. To show them what we just went down and what we're about to go up. Alright. That's what we went down. This is a mountain, and this is the drainage. And we are climbing through the rocks. Alright. Come on, Bandit. Come on, Bandit.
Bandit.
He's coming. Now we're going to climb up this mountain. I got a root right there, man. Alright, when you get to that hump right there, because you got stuck on, when you get close to it, just hit it. There we go. You're gonna... You're good. You can crawl over most of that. Hold on. Bandit, move out of the way. Back up. You gotta hit it. There we go. No worries. Oh. This is a ledge, called a Legends. Get on that rock. Don't hit it off. You can get it off. There you go. See? Don't give up so easy. Go around the side of it.
My bumper's caught.
Nope, what? Why are you trying to go so fast? work it around. There you go. There you go. There you go. Keep going. No, not like that.
Do you think your RC could do this?
My crawler could. This isn't really a crawler, but we're just testing it out. It's a Legends Racing RC. It's in low. It doesn't really do. It's so stinking fast. You can't put it in high to do anything like this.
Before you came outside, I put it in high, and it was like skirt, skirt.
It slides all over. There you go. Here we go. There we go. Oh, you had it. What'd you back up for? Now you can't have it. Come on. You go either side of the rock. There you go. Turn. Hit it. There you go. That's what I want to do. Keep going. There you go. It's a lot harder coming up than it is going down. Huh? Back up a little bit lower. Where'd Bandit go?
He went down there.
Not for real? Down where? Down there?
No.
Bandit!
See.
Come on, Bandit. This is gonna be a hard part. Come on. Well, he's trying to explore all over too. Yeah, this one's gonna be more difficult. I should sit. Alright, you're gonna have to hit it. Back up a little bit. Hit it. There you go. Alright. There you go. Oh. See if you can back up a little bit. I like you stuck. Put it right there. Are you gonna try to do it again? This is a very steep incline.
I just went up with that one.
My truck even spins coming up this gravel, this limestone.
And this thing can spin
I got
up.
35 1250s on my truck. I'm over them rocks. Usually it looks like it spins 2 wheels at a time and it swaps back and forth for the optimum traction. It's great for racing. Not exactly the best for rock crawling, but as you can see, it does it and does it well. It went all the way down this mountain and back up. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.